Alright, I'm gonna get the moon over here. This is kind of on the left of where I usually my smoke spot. And you know, I'm just gonna keep it as is. And I'm gonna go towards the left of it all. Catch what I can in the sky here. Not sure if anyone could see anything, but I'm gonna go for the stars. So, okay, this will be above my house. Oh, absolutely beautiful. Okay. I'm back to the moon over there. All right, God bless everybody. Have a beautiful night. I love you all. Of course, Black Dog. Thank you. I love you, Black Dog, up the hill. And Squeaky Swallows. God bless.